Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is all about nails. How you can grow your nails faster, stronger and in very less time. You can say 3 to 4 days. You are going to see results in third day only. So here is the process I am going to tell you in this video. Stay tuned and watch the video till last because this is the very easy process, because we don't have much time to give time to our nails as they needed, because we are always giving time to our face for body care but always avoiding our nails. Because what most of the people are facing is the problem, their nails are growing faster, but what happened, they break from middle of the process of growing. So the process which I am going to tell you is that your nails become stronger and they are growing. They will grow evenly as you want and with the size as desired by you. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So for this process I have taken a bowl full of lukewarm water. Just check the water, make sure it is not too much hot, and taking the baby shampoo from Johnson's, just taking few drops and then I am taking this pinch of salt. You have to follow this step before going to sleep. Just mix the water very well and soak your hands for 5 to 6 minutes. Why I am saying do this process before you are going to bed? Because at night your process will be 10 times extra effective than if you apply this process in the middle of the day. So make sure you apply this process, you follow this process at night. When you are soaking your hand, your dead cells will remove, dirt particles from cuticles will also be removed. After that I am taking this brush and taking baby shampoo on the brush and just rubbing my nails with the brush very softly, very gently, so the remaining dirt particles will also remove and the dead cells from the cuticle will also remove. Just brush your finger very gently. Again soak your hands in the bowl for 2 to 3 minutes. Now this is the cleaning process. After that I'll tell you how to make the gel. So just I'm washing my hands. Now you can see the results. This is the cleaning process. After that wipe your hands with any soft towel and this process is done. Now moving on to the gel making process. For this I am taking a bowl and adding pinch of Vaseline in it. Vaseline will soften your cells from tissues of cuticles. And taking a badam tel, few drops of badam tel. This is pure almond oil. And now I am adding this parachute oil. This is coconut oil, few drops of coconut oil in it, and just mix it well and I'll apply on your nails, including the cuticle area, including the roots of the nails, and just mixing it well and see the consistency. Apply it and massage it for 4 to 5 minutes. This gel will make your roots stronger and makes your nails grow faster and longer. So see, the steps are very easy. You can find all the ingredients at your home. I'm just massaging it for 4 to 5 minutes. Now this is done. After you woke up in the morning, just take bowl of water. You can take lukewarm water or normal water and wash your hands like this. You don't have to apply any hand wash or any soap, and wipe your hands with that soft towel. And the last step, to apply moisturizer on your hands. Now this is the simplest process for your nail growth and make your nails stronger. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel, press the thumbs up button and stick to my channel for more updates. Till then, bye bye.